Yo, the album is finally out. Your history of album. Raro to sero to tendo ria to tendo ngamsi over in rich to ibon. Elozori iko vaus na link raro se puaro stenda. Raro to tendo ngai ava pizza so ungar kuzibona so yo. I gonna lie. Though these numbers that means so ungas is confirmed because of I guess it's still early or when it comes to this album maybe unaze alaberera kongwana. But I guess 21 hours ago, 5,128 views. Okay. But I won't lie, it's pretty good. But for me to feel like it's like small numbers. So I don't know, bro. But it's an album, so the one is already there. I mean, even as a whole, you're there when it comes to because of I guess it's still like the first 21st hours. I guess the number maybe it will go trend maybe somewhere, maybe on iTunes, maybe top albums. Kongwana ndimidzo nkongwana because of the last albums zo shuma bad when it comes to the digital platforms. I guess even as you know, I guess ndizvimwe zvizvo zvaita kuti inge yarenga over because of you know the distribution. I mean, I guess mara maybe Virgin Music will do great job when it comes to the imo market as well. So I don't lie. Let's also react on this song Baby We Mnamboni. So ndinoitecheresa actually no ndiyose ndinoitecheresa nyaya ndinoitecheresa yacht like I've listened to it like ndonoivhori handitrack hana especially even nainoni gifted nayo I guess even gifted nayo yoshuma zvavo nikongwana because of it's the first day yonovana 21k views I guess like nayo ikoshuma pretty good so I guess ndimizofilina zinumbers and unomtenda dzavana zinumbers dzokura zamizo you know so I guess haikochimbira yona let's just also react on it.
What about prefer?
What the fuck am I doing?
My baby girl really is everything to me.
Already producer tracking on I've atomated as two methods of development. Already like producer tracking. What the fuck
What
is
about
this
prefer?
I'm gonna lie. I'm trying like producer tracking today because of I've also checked the track like ndo zamu check even like here on my Spotify. Ndo zamu check on ndini mtu producer track like I'm going to chara zina only kumchira ni unarine na goes bapes kungwana. Don't know uri ndinyo producer tracking. Kande ni minomizo uyeita uzi beach na but I'm gonna lie mizo anga steady team.
My baby girl really is everything to me. Skibbity bang. And all I need is her right next to me. And you are just like my best friend to me.
Those for me so feel even though I go in but those who like this guy like this really love nam today like kumwanira yone track ne omudi dedicated ene track straight uri iko yakhaya straight ono muntu anomumtu ne iko yakhaya iko te yakho muntu straight and you know you come
Yeah.
on
Sifele to me. Yeah. Ndinaye ukosechelela otakala. Banji bakotoda hachitungufala. Ndeya songo ngala baby domumala.
player songomara baby ndo mumara okay we see you rokombona the way ne akotamba nga pen because wona mizo feel
Baby we ararodzura mlamboni.
I ain't gonna lie, this part ne, means feel when he ashquita a part ne, I guess what they dedicated like straight to it, like or in the good they a part like even for TikTok like straight. I've been a party you know like the way I gen, the way I genangayo, like what those like una specific don't quit this part go it if ndanga do it like maybe no 30 seconds the don't go it like a party no ndio ne party ndi kunyaka is trend like kengi ndio ne party ne igo do it a wimbo no best and I'm like it did like good job ngori ndio ne ntini kuuka pa to blind nanga cheka but banji if wachikufiwa kuposta mramboli ndini party ne bakuijesa ngama part atu bona party ya buguzban even though jail player somewhere somehow jenanyana or the pieces there mara I found when it comes to creating this part I guess he did like a great job. Come on. Why is the fuck like slow?
ukolira na zvinoni
Baby,
ikale ndisamuvo
backup zone. And those riffs, backup zone. Like, what on about at this moment, you do the backup and do change your tone, your voice, honey.
asiyotini ationi baby wait baby girl rirote girl you are mesmerizing rirote you got me fantasizing rirote baby wait my baby girl stongy
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, we have to just. Hey, Rotori were consistent here, Jerpea, when it comes to music. Like, since Chato Jena Kainga Vendani, since that time, when I bought the prover and the number was hard, even though I've been one is the second album in a feature Waka, Jerpea Misophil. So it's just good on consistency with Jerpea. Like, it's pretty good, like, when it comes to Shumana Misophil. Like, Jambas never Kushuma Zuko. Bakokana zwine vha kho tea u zwala zwone zwi amba u khou deliver zwoṱhe zwine Mizofil a khou nyaga uri muthu ndi tshi ḓo feature muthu kha i track ndi Jerry Player u khou ḓa delivera zwithu zwine nṋe muṋe na nṋe ndi a zwithu zwo tou fushea ndi u khou delivera zwavhuḓi. Come on, like what the fuck?
uri ofunwa ende ndilwa magumo adobe amtonipe andilala mena
And vele ṱhonifho all the time i tea u vha hone tshifhinga tshoṱhe ṱhonifho i tea u dzula i hone muṱani.
ndi mupfela ufuno zwino kezwo mbilu yo tenda kazi ketu nandinganiketa zwino kezwo mbilu yo tenda
Aibo.
nakazi ketu
I don't lie, bro. Like Jerry Player's like unique voice, like the voice of him, like is so perfect. Like it's like voice they are just that it's unique. And like I find out about like the way but even though I don't know if he watch himself to tune, but even though watch himself to tune, that's not a problem. But I don't himself to tune. So I don't know, bro. But like he got like pretty dope voice.
nandinganiketa yeah. Baby girl, you are just perfect to me. Skibbity bang. Them bad girls no longer have access to me.
Yeah.
Nandoketa ini atichabanyaga iya nikubatezera ndani haga dia bachitunga ndani kavara baby wait
Oh, they Vashitunga Randani Kavara. Okay. We see him Mizofil. Like I don't like, bro, like the last track is like Mizofili, like when he's playing it like Ozanamia Bana, like what was for ya. Okay, he sings some ways, bro. Like but I don't like what kind of Rakura and Mizofil. Like it's just that his pen is like literally good, like when the you can't understand it how come like never never as was like was wakudana zungandiraade.
rarodzura mramboni ukolira na zvinoni baby wait ikale ndisamuvoni asi yotini atikoni baby wait baby girl rirote girl you are mesmerizing rirote you got me fantasizing rirote baby wait my baby girl stongise uri ofunwa ende ndilwa magumo adobe amtonipe andilala mena yenupela ufuno zvino kezvo mbilu yotenda kazi ketu nandinganiketa zvino kezvo
Like why John Pell double service here we wanna press this?
mbilu yotenda nakazi ketu nandinganiketa
This song like is so calm, like you're relaxing. I went there with like I go die, I go poop even a bit on like it's so small slow motion in na mtu na watu when wakoimba kana because of necessarily like they are rapping literally rapping even though they some part never thought they were rap and but it's not like all song never rap kayo like zimwe bakoto ngwana bakoto imba ngwana so I don't like it's so slow like it perfect like I go Pupa, I go back face and Amanda first blind Amanda.
time. When Mr. Beyond and naked garments, Dakota Gunanda Mukopera Nadingo.
I know, like every time goes by now. Like if you can check every time, especially Kalsuzonga, like this featuring also. I got like why most of the time much time actually try like style achi so all the time like ndiyambona like nichaka nzimbo zote zine like ngamwana official mbingamizo makazi like type ya music ine adova kuvhisa ne ingasinge ya musi yakuvhisa ine ravro expector kuḓo ngayo sound yeyo like ningacheka even na this album yaivhisa zvinhu like sound like even though like vhathu vachiri kuamba no goes by mini mini but it's just that this sound ini sometimes utoita achitrying sound more different because of angasi zvaela artist yeramudhiva ngayo achikochenengela sound kungwana and utora involve ene munesen artist uri ave akuhula musically kungwana so I don't know uri but sometimes waro kungwana audangayo waro just that kuzibari munyekera inela sound yawo ya one team kungwana even though the bana watu pano they dating as mara like ndi perfection yawo ngani ke elemunanti. What the fuck?
United Tonga Shasharido. Namlevela ndiapana biko kanigo. Ufindi do aibalele ngamsi. Ariye masise.
Rume.
Namlevela ndiapana biko kanigo. Do aibalele ngamsi. Ariye masise.
I know because
Lompanga kakating. Dude. United Tonga Shasharido. Dakota Gunanda Mukopera Nadingo. United Tonga Shasharido. Namlevela ndiapana biko kanigo. Ufindi do aibalele ngamsi. Ariye masise. United Tonga Shasharido. Dakota Gunanda Mukopera Nadingo. United Tonga Shasharido. Namlevela ndiapana biko kanigo.
Ndimi chacharito nimtambi ndimi abeyanga sokwamba ma ngona bali nazwe nazi lyrics zineringatova lakazi
Dakota Gunanda Mukopera Nadingo. United Tonga Shasharido. Namlevela ndiapana
bro I feel like ikumbuka I like for real bro
the boys when Mr. Beyond and naked garments. Dakota Gunanda Mukopera Nadingo. United Tonga Shasharido. Namlevela ndiapana
Dingo United Chachariko. I guess United ngamkumbulela kwanga ne the moment achiri United ndikopfa okwamba ngava team like Manchester United Chacharito I feel like ungava mutambi maybe mutambelawo I don't know ngona let me just nditoseza no but United Chachariko the fuck is that Manchester United Chacharito yeah because we born he's talking about a player United Chacharito okay there's no fucking way angaba kusokwamba so when did this guy paid for Manchester United? Yo bro Goodbye United Goodbye United is like a fan of Man United bro. Oh, he played 2013-2014 season 2012-2013 season okay just number 14 okay the can't go deep story what is he talking about?
United Tonga Shasharido. Namlevela ndiapana biko kanigo. Ufindi do aibalele ngamsi. Ariye masise.
Bro, but for Vermans Mampiko Apakaningo Vitamin. There was something like I remember back in high school, like they used to say like if but Shiva Biko Canada mini. I don't like an ocean for vitamin. Do angwa. Marwa they were the Munugusman. But our to vitamin. I tell was vitamin. I don't see the right. Come on.
cutting. Do the thing. Damn temba kashki. Give it a bang, sister, and goes.
Okay, damn, do the thing. Damn temba kashki. Okay. I like maybe read up goes by like one tropia straight home to any like Lagoto Mumble, damn temba kashki. So you realize the Zuria, all paper man shall come. Come on. Yeah, what the fuck is this? So
Sitera Maribo, Umbuza story, Msamiro, Anna Chami Kabino. Hey, if you got it all, baby, wait. Rarozuram Rambo.
I don't like goes Bob business as long as it's with film.
Hey, baby, you got it all, baby. Wait,
Do you feel really like
Umbuza story, Msamiro, Anna Chami Kabino. Hey, baby, you got
goes Burby, I speak a time Camindo, and I speak a time Cando. One Burby goes by the dude. Oh, I'm a me. A Bernard Kumufa.
story, Msamiro, Anna Chami Kabino. Damn temba kashki. Give it a bang, sister, and goes it there. I'm Haribo. Umbuza story, Msamiro.
Okay, sister and those the Tera Maribo, Buza story, Msamiron. Okay, I like as well, Zephyrus. The name Patinico, the near Kodayam, Urmi.
Anna Chami Kabino.
Cosa, nice being a time Cabindo, the mini Cabindo. What the fuck is Micabindo? Micabindo. What the fuck is Micabindo? Micabindo. I don't lie. Zinafana nilelo zinezwazi ukushuma burial language. Kungana. Ukuhamba ichivende chanke nendikho andabi ndiyamba ichivende cha Western. Ale rase chivende cha Western emini ndichivende cha Bukuma mara sichivende cha Bukuma chifana changa ngithetsa uthando. So mikabindo na division nimi. Ane ningona khamba isizwe zine ngangena Western relations lemwezini. Anibona ndiko umbula lo mikando bala ase mikando. Mikabindo ari mikando na. I don't like maybe. Amara I. What the fuck is that? It's just Mika. Yeah, Mika window mini. I got to another. That doesn't know this. I know what's wrong with the goes back. Come on. Damn by way.
Hey, baby, you got it all, baby, wait. Rarozuram Ramboni. Ukoria Nationoni, baby, wait. The current is Samuroni. I see your tinny at the only, baby, wait. My baby can strong easy. Uri ofun and then the Ramaguma.